Meaning of galoshes.
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 Galoshes. Galoshes are a type of waterproof overshoe that is typically worn to protect one's regular shoes from rain or snow. They are usually made of rubber or plastic and slip on over the wearer's shoes, providing an extra layer of protection against inclement weather conditions. Galoshes can come in various styles and heights, from ankle-high to knee-high, and can be found in different colors and patterns. They are a practical and convenient solution for keeping one's feet dry and clean in wet weather, and are commonly worn by people who spend a lot of time outdoors.